Hello, good evening, wherever you are. This is Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. What do you think is going to happen here? Can you guess? I know it's going to take you a long time before you guess. Let me tell you, this is customers' requests. Yes, Auntie Hilda, I want you to prepare a fish stew for me. She actually saw it on TikTok and she sent me this video since December and she came back again. I have no choice to fulfill what her heart is wanting to eat. Let me do it for her. So over here we have our garlic, bell pepper, we have some carrots, onion, ginger, some fresh pepper. We have our fish. Basically, these are the main things. Obviously, we'll be adding some uh, puree tomato, which we are going to use today, the rica, and also some chopped tomato from Valfruta, which is Italian product. Alright, so this is our pot. Let's add in our oil. So for today, we are using this oil. This is sunflower oil, and I'm doing it exactly how she sent me the video. So please be attentive. I might go over 10 minutes, but be with me and bear with me because Charlie, I need to do it accordingly. Orokodo sepis one papa. Or yeah, Hilda's Kitchen, always good food made in a clean environment. First of all, we are going to add in all our vegetables into the oil. That's how she wants it, and I have to do exactly the same. Nanekia, you've given me a very hard job. I'm doing it for you. Yes, because you are customer. Orokodi. We are making it plenty. Here we go. I can't prepare it and not eating some. I'll prepare and eat some. So I'm going to teach you it kata. So as you can tell, it is cooking very, very nicely and succulent. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I've mankada machu some stir fry you. So you can tell the peppers are very soft and now they have even reduced in size. It was really bulky and here we are today. Now it's going into the blender and I'm going to blend it. So stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, it has cooked very nicely and I'm taking them from the oil, yes, into my blender. This blender is so powerful. Don't ask me where I got it from because they are not going to pay me, so I'm not going to actually advertise for them or record. So we are going to blend all this nice. Look at this, very succulent. So here we are with all our biddy booms and biddy bums. Let's get on with it. Let's add in some rosemary. Nice. So guys, this is our blend and let's go for it. If saying we make small to bomb no. Improve the camera and we one okay. So it is cooking nicely. We are going to add our puree tomatoes and also our chopped tomatoes. So this is our puree tomatoes. Here we go. Yeah, as I'm amazing. Although also papa because this stew is often a bomb through on your or you do mankasankasa, but I'm doing it for you nicely. So keep watching. Let's add in our chopped tomatoes as well. So guys, I'm going to fry this fish, so stay tuned. Or record. Fry on ye easy. Into be a fry more appreciate that. Look at this. Shamuku keido, shamala muku keido. Malami jana manala water 2 bombs na no dra. They make cleaning even though I'm still every now and then giving a clean, it's still you shobomb sisi abewi we could do. So I will leave it, I will allow it. It's even on minimum. It's even on minimum. This is the high, this is the high, and this is the minimum. It still keeps throwing bombs or throw tantrums. Me jana mano hodja na ma papa kama or record. So guys, this is the fish, nicely fried, beautiful. Pochamba no great and mention and ya don't say baby. So this is the fish looking very nice and beautiful for our stew or record. Wow. Yeah, frying is so good. I don't to bomb. Mankasano or your done butter. Maybe my papa. I'll show you the end. Yes, or record. That's kitchen good food made in a clean environment. Pepe. Yes, and I'm now ya console. This ya ba. It was after 1 hour and over and some minutes. This is how the stew looks like. It's more or less preparing like shito. I'm telling you. So let's add in our spices. Oops, yeah. We are adding some shrimp powder. Fry bayeto. Ow. Orokodo. Easy and purple. So for our salt, we are using our mushroom seasoning. Yeah. So we are now going to add in. Oh, it tastes really nice, for you know. This is our fish. That for easy. Able to me is more. Able to me is by ear. Able to me is watch it. Anything goes. Look, I have finally accomplished my mission. A shumana was shuman and my and come and my just there was nala frying baby or look outside leads. I know no son is it nala. A woman or piano mepe in I pay. I'll eat some with my watch it tomorrow, God willing. Up baby. Ooh, wow. It looks amazing. So guys, finally our beautiful stew is ready for our customer. Thank you for the thumbs up and don't forget to like. I know it's hard to cook this stew, but kindly try your best to try it for me. And God bless you for your beautiful comments. We love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.